Okay, good afternoon, one and all. So, already we have started and discussing one topic. So, the topic name is law. Already we have started last 2 days this topic, and today we will completing this topic sources of law. After we will discussing kinds of law. Yesterday, already we have completed three side readings from the various sources of law. The three side readings already we have completed: customs, religion, and scientific commentaries. So, remaining three side readings will be left. So, judicial decisions, equity, and legislature. Here, I was mentioned what is the meaning of judicial decisions. The determinations by a court of competent jurisdiction on matters submitted to it. Once again, you can read. I'm reading here. The determination by a court of competent jurisdiction on matter submitted to it. So here judicial decisions, because in the part of the our country, in the part of the our country, so we have one highest court. That court name is Supreme Court of India. So Supreme Court from our country, from USA Federal Court, and England General Law, and this also some certain period Supreme Court will be given some judgment from the different types of cases, different types of cases. So this also, because particularly Supreme Court, what it will be given some judgments from the different types of cases. So all courts will be inspired of the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court judgments from the different types of cases. Also, one of the various sources of the law, one of the various sources of the law, and also the Supreme Court and High Court will be given some judgment for different types of cases. It will be maximum clearly and clarity. So, and also it will be transparent. So this also one of the sources of the law, one of the sources of the law. And because uh, sometimes government will be prepared some laws from the purpose of the people, purpose of the country. Some will be wrong prepared by government, some not clearly. It will be completely, it was prepared by against of the state, against of the constitution. So Supreme Court will be interfering that matter and subject, and court will give an advice to from the government. It was prepared by against of the constitution, against of the country. So government will be ready to receive the taking the Supreme Court advice and changing the acts, changing the law, or changing the amendments. So Supreme Court, what is the given some judgments, some different types of cases, basic. So it will be clarity. This also inspiring government. Government also taking that judgment copies and will be preparing clarity, transparently, and honestly. So that is called the judicial decisions. Decisions means what is that? Judgments. Decisions means judgments. So the determinations by a court of competent jurisdiction on matter submitted to it. So here uh, in the so court will be helping, and court also one of the various sources of the law, one of the various sources of law. Why? Because Supreme Court will give some different judgment, some different cases. So the judgment also will be, we are getting some knowledge. So government also taking that judgments basic and prepared by some laws. So this also using of the people, using of the country. So judicial decision is that. And next, equity. What is that? Equity. First of all, from our subject, you don't forget side headings. You do by heart maximum. What is the side heading? This side headings. Example. Presently, we will discussing this topic. So side heading is very important. So you can try. It's a possibility you can do by heart the side headings, and and also you can maintain one small long notebook, long notebook, white, totally white pages book, rough notebook, and chapter 1 to chapter last, how many topics will be there, how many topics we have discussed. So all topics you can write from the rough book, and when you are become a leaser, so you can read these sidings and you can read these definitions. Definitely, you are getting some knowledge, and you remember that ideas, and you go back to the topic just like recapitulations. What is that? Recapitulations. Recapitulation means nothing. Remember the topic. We are going to back to remembering the topic once again. So every day you can see and you can open the draft notebook. You can read the all sidings one by one, and as a possibility you can write another rough notebook that answer, because practice makes man perfect. It's definitely you. So you are eligible. You are perfect perfect of the our subject, and definitely you are writing exams again. So here, what is the meaning of equity? So here this also completed. Equity meaning. What is the meaning of equity? The quality of quality of being fair and impartial. Impartial. So here, equity is important. Why? Because sometimes there is no any evidence, there is no any proofs, some different types of cases. So who is there? Who will there? Some judges from the Supreme Court or High Court in the properly from part of our country. So they are given some judgment. There is no proof. There is no any evidence. Some cases, as per experience, as per knowledge, as per their sense, they are given some judgments. So you can understand. So what they are given some judgment as per their sense, it is called the equity. Equity means fairness, because some they got some experience, so they have some ideas, they have some knowledge. So judges will be given some judgment as per knowledge, as per equity, as per evidence, as per proof, as per sources, some etc. So here equity you can understand clearly. So sometimes some cases not solved by easily. So that time judges will take in and they are thinking some another side, and also maximum they are ready to give some judgment as per uh, writtenness, as per moral, as per ethics, basic values. So it is called the equity. Already here I have mentioned what is the meaning of equity. Equity means uh, fairness, the quality of being fair and impartial. Impartial means not partiality. So this is called the equity. So here, and also because sometimes the judges will be taking this principle, these ideas, because there is no any evidence, there is no any proofs. That time the judges will be thinking their own, and they are ready to give some judgments. So after judgment after, it will be implemented by the part of the state level law. So this also called various sources of law. Various sources of law. This is also one of the sources of the law. And last siding, legislature. Last siding is legislature. So what is the meaning of legislature? Legislature. 6.6 siding is a legislature. End of this topic. So we will discussing types of law. Types of law. Legislature. What is the meaning of legislature? So the group of people in a country or part of a country or part of a country who have the power to make and change laws. This is the first definition, and you can write the second definition also. An elected group of people who have the power to make and change laws in a state or country. Okay. So here two definition I was mentioned. So legislature, what is the meaning of legislature? First of all, I am telling what is the meaning of legislature. Legislature means presently we have two chambers in the part of the parliament. What is the two chambers? Generally you know that well. It is parliament means Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, and president. Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, president and ministers. So this all is parliament. Legi means prepared by some laws in the one house. It is called the legislature. Legi means laws. Slature means house. Law prepared house. Law prepared house. Law prepares house. So here we have the two definitions. The group of people in a country or part of a country who have the power to make and change laws. Yes, who will prepare laws? Tell me. You are saying that government, sir. Yes, 100% correct. Government will be prepared. some laws. Government will be implemented by some laws, because we don't have any authority, we don't have any rights to prepare any laws. Why? Because we are not part of the government. We all are not part of the government, because we only recognized just like peoples only. We are all our peoples. Government will be authority, government will be prepared some laws, some acts, and some powers also. So here, the group of people in a country are part of a country who have the power to make and change laws. Yes, if the necessary, if they are required of the people, if they are required of the country, government will be changing some laws, old laws, and prepared some laws. Example, before 1983, peoples have the vote right 21 years. Vote right. But Rajiv Gandhi government, Congress party government will be reduce the vote right 21 to 18. 21 to 18. Presently, 18 years. Who will complete 18 years? They are eligible vote right. Because this also one law, this also one act, this also one amendment, this also one amendment. Second definitions. An elected group of people who have the power to make and change laws in a state or country. State or country. Because government will be prepared by some laws and implemented by also government only. But legislature will be approved by the laws implemented by the government only. Government has so many works, so many powers, so many burdens, because government will prepare some such good laws. It will be getting some benefit of the people. So definitely people getting some good result. This law, definitely government will be prepared some laws. So legislature also very important. And also here clearly mentioned, so because maximum government also ready to prepare any laws from the part of the territory. So government also given good priority, importance, people's opinion. What is that? People's opinion. As per people's opinion, basic government will be ready to prepare some laws, because people will be expecting some laws, they want some laws, so definitely government will prepare some laws. People will be asking, we want this law, we want this law, we want this act. So people asking from the government, so government will taking their opinion and ready to government will prepare some laws. So legislature will be approved that laws, and finally it will be implemented the part of the state level. So that's why you can understand legislature is one of the major important organizations from the government organs. Central level we have the parliament, state level we have the assembly, state level we have the assembly. Our representatives, who will elected by directly from the people, who will not elected by directly of the people, from directly indirectly. So some people elected by directly of the people, some people not elected by directly, they are elected by indirectly of the people. So that is just like Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha from the central level. From the state level, Vidhana Sabha is lower house, Vidhana Parishad is our upper house. So this all, it is a various sources of law. Sources means evidence. Sources means what is that? Evidence. So without evidence, without these sources, government or state not prepared any laws. Understand? With the sources, with evidence, government will be prepared and will be preparing some laws. Because government should not prepare any laws against of the people, against of the country, against of the society. So this is one of the main topic of the law. So I'm thinking this question will be coming from the 2021 annual examinations. this topic, this question. What is this topic? Define law, explain the various sources of law. Tell me how many sources of law. Presently we have the 6 various sources of law. Tell me that names, headings. First, customs. Second, religion. Third, scientific commentaries. Fourth, legislature. Fifth, equity. Sixth, judicial decisions. I'm not telling sequentially, but I'm telling generally. So you can see from the board, customs, religion, scientific commentaries, judicial decisions, equity, and legislature. So this is a majorly 6 sidings of the various sources of law. And next topic. So next topic is there. You can write now. So that is this topic is completed now. And describe the various types of law. Various types of law. Various types of law. Various types of law. Okay. So various types of or classifications of law. Classifications of law. Classification of law. So this also coming from the annual examinations, 10 marks also. What is here asking from the annual examination? Define the and explain the various types of law. Various types of law. Various types of law. So this also 10 marks question will be there. So sometime it will coming from the 5 marks also. Sometime is coming from the 5 marks also. Okay. So here explain different kinds of law. Explain different kinds of law. Explain different kinds of law. We have the long answer 10 marks also. Classification of law, kinds of law, both are same. Okay. So classification of law. First, national law. What is that? National law. National law. Second, international law. International law. And third, constitutional law. Constitutional law. And fourth, ordinary law. Ordinary law. And fifth, public law. Public law. Sixth, private law. Private law. And seventh, administrative law. Administrative law. And eighth, general law. General law. And ninth, statutory law. Statutory law. 10th, common law. Common law. So we have the number of types of law, totally 10. So this 10 types of law is very important. Why? Because national law and international law, constitutional law, and ordinary law, public law, private law, administrative law, general law. General law. So here, so first of all, national law. What is the meaning of national law? So, my dear students, so where is types of matter will be there? Maximum some of the questions, particular 2 marks will be coming from these types. Not only law topic. Example, already we have completed law topic. already we have completed before: liberty, equality, justice. So examiner will asking from you, what is the meaning of political liberty, what is the meaning of political equality, or what is the meaning of constitutional law, what is the meaning of public law, what is the meaning of general law, what is the meaning of statutory law, what is the meaning of common law. Particularly 2 marks will be asking. So where is these types of question will be coming from the question paper. Don't forget, must and should read all types. Why? Because so they are asking any type of topic will be coming for the 2 marks. They are asking any type. Just before I'm saying that some examples. So any type of they are asking. So be ready and be prepared. Why particularly it will be repeated. It will be coming from the annual examinations only for 2 marks. This is a long answer. This is also 10 marks question. Very important bit this also. Before already we have completed, that is a various sources of law. Only we have the 6 sources. But this we have the 10 types. These are types that sources. Sources means evidence. Okay. National law, international law, constitutional law, ordinary law, public law, private law, administrative law, general law, statutory law, and common law. So first of all, here I am explaining what is the meaning of national law. What is the meaning of national law? So first type national law. You can write national law. So it will be coming any types of it will be coming 2 marks. National law is one which is applicable to all the people living in the territory of a nation. This law will be made by the legislature of the nation. Okay. I'm explaining all definition, all types of the law. Don't worry. So all types of law you can read. So totally we have the 10 types of law. These are first types of law. What is the meaning of national law? So any types of law will be asking from the annual examination, particularly 2 marks. This is totally will be asking 10 marks. Okay. Common meaning, common definition of the national law. What is the meaning of national law? National law is one which is applicable to all the people living within the territory of a nation. This law will be made by the legislature of the nation. Yes, because when it was prepared by one law in the part of territory, entire part of people will be obeyed, entire part of people will be following that law. It is called the national law. National law will be affected only national level only. Only legislature will be prepared by the laws. Legislature will be implemented by law. Actually, government will be prepared some laws, approved by legislature, implemented by government only. So here, national law is one which is applicable to all the people living within the territory of a nation. This law will be made by the legislature of the nation. Yes, because government will be prepared some laws and government will be introduced these laws in also the legislature. When the legislature, when it was approved by officially by high level authority, so it will be implemented in the part of the territory, it will be implemented in the part of the national level. It is called the national law. It is called the national law. National law will be affected only national level only. Example, you can take from our country. So national law will be affected entire part of the India, from north to south, east to west, not affected from the other countries. Why? Because every country will be prepared by their own national law, by different to different. Our governments will be prepared some laws, so it will be affected only our country level only, not other countries. Why? Because it will be prepared by here only, so it will be affected only here only, not other countries. So this also national law. National law is also very important. So tomorrow we will ready to discussing another types of laws. Remaining 9 will be left. 9 will be left. So after end of these types of law, so we are ready to go to another chapter, another topic. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.